What is up, guys? It's Bonfire Night. We just passed Halloween, and it was really cool. I already made a video about it, and I've gone trick-or-treating and got about 103 sweets. My bag's really big. And yeah, I really loved it, so I hope you will enjoy this one. So, well, let's see Bonfire. By the way, it's Bonfire Night. Can anyone tell me where this limb is there? Oh, there. Did you see that? Oh, yeah, see?
Znowu?
Uh-huh.
Widzę jak nagrywasz.
Did you see that? Oh yeah, my lighting on the tablet is not really that. Oh, you know, it's a tablet. Duh. And yeah, let me show you a collection. Here we have cactus number. You have cactus number 1. You can't really see very well. Here we have cactus number 2. Jeff, Robert, and Lee. And here we have number 3, the big old poopy. And yeah, this is the big old poopy. Show me Bonfire! Night tip, subscribe. I hope the Bonfire subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, this is going into a really big channel now. Now in a few weeks' time, it's gonna be Oh, did you see that? I saw it with my eyes, but I don't know if it was recorded on camera. I'll try to get a good shot of it. There! Did you see that? Did you see that? That was cool. Why, Mikey? Zooming in, zooming in. Zooming out, zooming out, zooming in, zooming out. No. Zoom in, zoom out. Please begin. I think this is the time. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. We didn't see really too much of fireworks. Anyways, this is Bonfire Night, where an evil villain, where an evil villain tried to build a castle, and it used to be bonfire. So now it's Bonfire Night, the day celebrated that the evil villain died, and yeah, really good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks. Peace out. I'm not. I play with them sometimes. Did you see that, Mama? Hot store! Hot store! Patch! Look at these! Look at those! Look at those! What the? Oh yeah, this is Nina's first Bonfire Night. Nina, say. Wow! Dobrze, że wam powiedziałem.
Dobrze, że dzisiaj patrzę, bo w Sylwestra nie zobaczę, to oni tak nie puszczają. I tam też tuż.
Well, that's a really good end. A really cool bonfire goodbye. Oh my god. I just touched a cactus. I just touched a cactus and I didn't do any damage. What was that? Jacob's playing on a game. I don't know what he's playing though. The car's riding. Yeah. Let me get a good shot of it. Good. Oh yes, I got. Sometimes Philip. Yeah. What?